Good afternoon everyone, welcome to Stock Market Analysis. Today is Friday, March 29th, 2013. I just want to share my March analysis performance. So the first stock that I gave out in the month of March for a strategy was Larsen & Toubro, and I found that the stock has really fallen down quite a lot. So we were waiting to go long on this because what failed was the inverted head and shoulders that took place, and usually it has to go up from this neckline, but it did not. So the best place to go long on the stock, yes, there were quite a lot of places where we could have traded in gaps. So this was one gap. As soon as the gap got filled, the stock ran up. So good intraday play, but I wasn't following intraday strategies at that point. Another gap was right here which got filled and it went up. So I was looking for a little bit longer term holding period, more like a swing trade, and I was just waiting for price to enter this level, so we would have gone long, and that level was between 1310 and 1360. So now let's see, most of us got in the moment the stock, you could see the wick came inside this level and we got onto the long positions. If we pull up Larsen & Toubro, now this is exactly what happened. We entered here. There was the next day the candle moved up, and I thought that was the start of the bull run. But then again another red candle. So this gave opportunities to some people who did not get in. Again there was a green candle, and then it just simply took off. My target was 1450, which was right here, and guess what? The stock actually moved way ahead of that price, that target price, and it went all the way up to, I think, odd 1531 on the high side. But still I was happy because my target was there, because there was a gap out here which was 1456, and I thought it would just fill the gap and go down. So I booked my profits at 1450, and so did my traders. After that L&T came down really quick, and I don't know whether I would again go long on L&T. I would rather just wait if it holds. If L&T holds 1300 and moves sideways and then starts to move to the upside, then yes, I would probably go long on the stock. Else, if it breaks 1300, you could see L&T coming down back to, I think, 1120. That's where you could see L&T coming. The next stock that I had was Reliance Infra. I again got beaten down by the stock. I don't think I'm going to trade it, I would just be more careful when I'm trading Reliance Infra. So what happened was, I saw the market, I saw Reliance Infra at a really good point. So I thought it would be best to go long on the stock between 415 and 433. And the moment it did come, we entered at a low of 415 or 416 or 17. And what happened was, the next day I saw a green candle, and that kind of suggested that okay, it will lift up from there. But then there was a lot of sideways movement, and the stock really did not do anything. So I kept my stop loss of 405 or 410, I think. And guess what happened? It broke, and I got hit. My stop loss got hit, and the stock has been just coming down. It looks relatively weak to me right now, because what's going on is it even broke 327. Now if you see our Reliance Infra pick up to 330 or something, I would go long, but still I'm not sure about this stock because it's showing a lot of weakness, even though weekly chart is showing somewhat kind of a lot of weakness. Just keep in mind, if Reliance Infra breaks 328, I mean, it already has broken 328, but just wait for the week closing. I mean, let's see how it opens on Monday. If it breaks that, then I think Reliance Infra can go way further down to like 275 or 280. So for those guys who are looking to short the market, this is one stock I could pay attention on. Well, that's it for now. Nifty, the way I thought the market would move, it was somewhat similar to that. because so let's this is the daily. Let me just get to the sorry, that was the weekly. Let me get to the daily. So this is where we were in Feb, and I expected the market to bounce back, but I wasn't able to take any long option calls. Basically, I was not going long on any of the calls because I completely missed by very few points on the index, and as expected, the index did move up, and then it came down. This really shows that the market is weak for some reason. Now that could be because of the US dollar index, or Dow is reaching its prior 2007 highs, but it's already broken it, and it's so surprising it's trading so strong. So just stay with the market. Just wait, let it settle in, and then we'll get a proper direction as to where this market is headed. But right now, for March, yeah, it's come back under support. It's got the 200-day moving average support, even though it's trading below the other two averages. You can see this white line. It's got good support, so hold on, just wait, look at my next video. I'm discussing a lot for April, and I hope you benefit from that video. Anything else, my information is in front of your screen, and if you have any questions, just shoot me an email and I will definitely get back to you. Alright, thank you for viewing this video, and I hope to see you soon again.